how to download Batman Arkham Knight game on Windows. So if you want to download Batman Arkham Knight game on your Windows PC, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, search for Steam, go with store.steampower.com, and now go and install Steam. Click on install Steam. Once you click on it, we'll start the installation process. Once you've installed Steam, you need to open the application. After opening, you can go with store, or you can also go with your browser and search for store. On your store, you need to search for Batman Arkham Knight. Click on it. Once you click on it, or once you click on the game, you'll get this kind of interface. You need to go with R2 cart, which will be right here in the middle of your screen. Go with view my cart, and here select the game that you would like to purchase. And once you've selected, you need to go with continue to payment and add your payment method. In my case, I've not added. You just need something to go and add your payment method. And once you've added your payment method, you can pay for the game and you'll be able to download it. So it's not for free. You need to pay and you'll be able to download it. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.